The word pharmacy is derived from the Greek word pharmakon, meaning medicine or drug. According to the dictionary, pharmacy is defined as the art and science of preparing and dispensing drugs. Pharmacy is a healthcare profession concerned specifically with the knowledge of drugs and wisdom in their uses. Pharmacist is an expert on drugs and medicines. He is a qualified person who, for fees, salary, or other consideration paid to him, manufactures, prepares, distributes, sells, or serves any prescription for any medicine, drug, or pharmaceutical preparation. He is a skilled and highly trained healthcare professional, a qualified person who has got registration for Pharmacy Council of India or any other country. RPH is known as registered pharmacist. Pharmacists have various roles in the healthcare departments. Pharmacy can be of several types like hospital pharmacy, general pharmacy, industrial pharmacy, and wholesale pharmacy. The scope of pharmacy is beyond what we think about. Interpretation and evaluation of prescription orders, compounding, dispensing, labeling of drugs and devices. Prescription in drug selection and drug utilization reviews. As community pharmacist, there are the most areas and the scopes where the pharmacist can build up his career, like as an industrialist pharmacist, as a government employee in army, navy, or air force, as teacher, instruct and researcher in pharmacy education institutes. The future of pharmacy. The old concept of pharmacy as a place of simply dispensing and selling of medicines has already been changed. Now, pharmacists have essentially working in hospitals, clinics, industries, research institutes, and other governmental and non-governmental organizations. In the UK, the pharmacists who undertake additional training are obtaining prescriptions writing rights. In the US, the Doctor of Pharmacy degree is prerequisite before entering to pharmacy practice. There are three types of degree in pharmacy. One is B Pharmacy. It is an undergraduate academic degree in pharmacy. It is a 4 years undergraduate program which can be completed in 4 years when the child has completed his higher school studies like +1 and +2 with a science background. B Pharmacy contains inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical pharmacy, pharmacognosy, microbiology, and other several subjects. After B Pharmacy, there is a postgraduate course which called the Master of Pharmacy, M Pharma. M Pharma gives the higher studies of pharmacy. It can be of several types like pharmaceutical chemistry, M Pharma in pharmaceutical technology, M Pharma in clinical pharmacy and pharmacology. It is a 2 year. And after M Pharma there is another degree which is called Doctor of Pharmacy, and it is a minimum requirement to be made a pharmacist in a developed countries like USA or Australia. There is another degree Diploma in Pharmacy. It is of 2 year program in India and 3 year program in Bangladesh. It can be varied within the countries to countries. In this, the student can be opt pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacognosy, microbiology, and community pharmacy department. He can work as a health worker in a pharmacy shop and can be paid the amount. The number of courses are also available for pharmacy technician in these countries.